Today, I would like to introduce a 4-in-1 mini portable laser welding machine. This device integrates welding, cleaning, cutting, and seam cleaning, making it suitable for various needs, especially in small workplaces and mobile operations. Can switch various languages. First of all, its laser welding function is very simple. New users can also operate directly. It can achieve fast and stable welding effect. Cutting function provides users with more flexible options. The welding cleaning function can completely clean any residues generated during the process. Cleaning function effectively removes oxides and dirt from metal surfaces. This 4-in-1 laser welding machine has a compact design. Easy to carry and simple to operate. Choose this mini portable laser welding machine. Make your work more efficient and convenient. Meet various welding and processing needs anytime and anywhere.